Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. Tom buys a pack of baseball cards every day. Each pack contains 7 cards, but he gives away the 2 least valuable ones to his brother. Which of the following best describes the relationship between time in days and the total number of baseball cards in Tom's collection? Okay, so according to the information, Tom is buying 1 pack of baseball cards every day. So where each pack contains 7 cards. Even though he's buying 7 cards, that is 1 pack, is giving 2 cards to his brother. So here the term least valuable doesn't matter. So he gives away the 2 cards to his brother, and he keeps remaining cards for him. In this way, he's buying. So we have to find the relationship between the time, that is in days, and the total number of baseball cards in Tom's collection. Okay, first let me write the required stuff. Here I have written the required stuff in a table. Okay, on day 1, I buy a pack of baseball cards and which contains 7 cards. So buys 7 cards on day 1, but in these 7 cards, he gives 2 cards to his brother. So 7 minus 2. So he has left with 5 cards on day 1. So on day 1, at the end of day 1, the total number of cards in Tom's collection is 5. Okay, on day 2 also he buys a pack of baseball cards which contains 7 cards. In these 7 cards, he gives away 2 cards to his brother. Then on second day, he is left with 5 cards. But already has left 5 cards on the first day. So at the end of the second day, 5 cards on the end of the first day, 5 cards at the end of the second day. So totally has 10 cards in his collection. Okay, on day 3 also, he buys 7 cards. He gives 2 cards away to his brother. So he has left 5 cards at the end of day 3. So already has 10 cards in his collection for day 1 and day 2. So on day 3, at the end of day 3, he has 5 more cards. So 10 positive 5, 15. So the total number of cards in Tom's collection on day 3 is, at the end of the day 3 is 15. And day 4 also he buys a pack of 7 cards and he gives 2 cards away to his brother. So he has left 5 cards at the end of day 4. So at the end of day 4, 5 positive 15, because already has 15 cards in his collection. So totally 20. So the total number of cards in Tom's collection at the end of day 4 is 20. Okay, now we'll just look at the number of cards in Tom's collection. So on the end of first day, it is 5. At the end of the second day, so it has been increased by 5. At the end of the third day also, it has been increased by 5. So again, it has been increased by 5. So the total number of cards in Tom's collection increases by 5 cards every day. So there is a constant change in the total number of cards of Tom's collection. So whenever a quantity changes at a constant rate, it is linear. So we can reject option C and option D. Okay, here the total number of cards in Tom's collection is increasing at a constant rate. Since it is increasing at a constant rate, so this is increasing linear. So we can reject option B also. So the correct answer choice for this question is option A.